Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick tutorial if you do choose to include a video intro, which is always fun because we get to put a face with a name. I wanted to just show you very quickly how easy that is. What you're going to do is once you read my introduction and the directions, you're going to click on reply, and in this box, it depends on how yours is set up, but you have a menu here in the text box, and you could either show less or use the chevron arrows and show more. This tab right here, this tool, you can insert an image, which could be a picture of yourself, or a video URL. So if you have recorded using, you can use any device, you could use your phone. As long as you get the URL copied, what you do is you click on the embed media icon. It's going to ask you, let me just scoot this for just a second up here. It's going to ask you for the URL. You would just copy the URL and paste it here, and then you would click on, in the bottom corner, insert. Let me move my, and so when you finish, you would have your video. It won't show at this point until you click submit. So you could submit there, and then your video introduction would show. People that wanted to respond and introduce themselves would just click on your reply and reply to you. And then we could just say, hello, very nice to meet you. And then and just start your conversation. So that's about it. There's Barley, everybody. Barley. Not interested. So anyway, that's how you would insert a video introduction if you're interested in that option. Thanks.